I'm the dumbass.
Sit down a bit.
I don't expect this gear to last fucking more than one land anyway.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yep. We're dialed in. I just don't know if the motor will stay running. Oh no.
I'm going the other way.
Boy, see you at the last second there. Right now I got no glow on, so she's still running.
Just keep the fuel to her.
Yep. Yeah, I don't expect too many. I gotta get that gear out of there and put the better gear out of there. Because the gear sucks. They're wobbly, they're flimsy. I don't know why they're so shitty.
Well, it's because we're wire gear.
Yep.
Yeah, our
I'm
car,
flying at half throttle right now, so
our engines don't sink.
no. It's a old 120 and a 50. What do you got?
55.
55 X.
17,000 RPMs later.
Yeah.
Time remaining 8 minutes.
However, those two Mustangs.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a warbird. I got to do a warbird one of these before they're.
Well, I got one right now.
Yeah. Got to get a couple warbirds flying. As long as I know the grass is short, I'm good. Because the freaking spindly wheels and stupid landing gear.
Not by much.
Right?
If I am, it's not by much. Or I cut. I'll wait for you to show up.
I hate pushing this engine anyway, though. That old engine, I don't know how many freaking hours is on that thing, but it does good for what it is.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Now, was you saying your tail wiggles a little bit? Because this one's doing it too. You
No,
get that certain speed there and you can watch the tail, it just wiggles.
it might. I don't think so. I usually don't have a problem with that.
I need to invert this one.
Yeah.
Be there and it'll roll up and invert. Nope, nothing crazy there. Wanted to go down, so I think the CG is good on this one.
Yeah.
It was nosing down just a hair, so.
Watching you take off, it looked good.
Yeah, no, it's nice and steady and level. If anything's gonna do this plane in, it's gonna be the freaking gear.
Yes.
When I land, the gear's gonna go wonky and it's gonna freaking pin it in.
Yeah, you just gotta
And
pin
then
it.
a cartwheel or something stupid.
Yeah, you gotta pin it when you land.
Yep.
Time remaining
I'm doing a loop.
Okay.
Back in behind you.
Stay down, yeah. Shit, I think the globe was on there. Quiet though, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, she is quiet.
I only got 6 minutes on the timer. I think the smoke is small for this.
Oh, then you bring it in when you're ready.
Yeah, I got another 2 minutes. So I know it could probably easily do 8, but for some reason I only set it at 6.
Yeah, I'm doing 10 with this one because it'll do 10.
Oh, that thing is just barely sipping fuel.
Yeah.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Jeez.
Oh, the wind's picked up.
Timer for 1 minute. So this will be my last lap. We'll see how many go rounds I gotta do. In case I don't nail it the first time.
Yeah, I'll just stay high and let you fuck around.
Yep. I'm gonna slow the airspeed down a bit over here anyway, so.
That's good.
Yep.
At least you got it running now.
Yeah, well, I just figured instead of messing with the other one, I'm coming in for trying for a landing here.
Yeah, you can do what you gotta do. I'm a pie.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
No bouncing. Good girl. Holy shit. Oh, it wants to take off again. Don't make me walk for you.
That's a good thing though.
That is like the whole fucking runway.
Man, you had a breeze.
Hey, that is the whole runway. That came
Holy.
in smooth as silk.
Does it flaperons?
Yep.
Jeez.
Yeah, but I mean, I didn't slow the RPM down because I couldn't hear it.
Yeah.
Usually
yeah.
I throw the trim down a little bit, but I didn't hear it at all. But that was smooth as silk there. No bounce, no nothing.
It's good. You got a good run out of it.
Yep. I'm happy with that.
Bad start, but a good run.
Yeah. Still on the taxi.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, listen to how fast that is.
Yeah, it's just rolling. Going on forever.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Thank you.